All right, I'm back. It's Ronaldo Moore with PPG, and I'm doing a plumbing under the floor, under the slab, under the floor, crawl space, plumbing under. They've gutted this renovated home. This is a one-story, two-bedroom, 1.5 bath. They have gone in and installed new plumbing, and the violations today are no water hammer resters at the wash machine box. The crawl space, hot water piping, the red, must be insulated. And that 10-foot stack, that's my pressure test there. That's got to be filled with water. And it is not. It's bone dry. Nothing.